Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing quick review of this JOYWISE wireless earbuds. The model type is T6 and they have very impressive specs, probably the highest specs which I've ever seen so far. It has total 70 hours of playtime, latest Bluetooth version 5.3, and have even a game music mode with an ultra low latency of 60 milliseconds, and they are waterproof or sweat proof and come even with active and passive noise cancellation, have large speakers of 10 millimeters inside, so it ticks all the boxes which we usually are looking for, and they come even in my preferred style like the Apple style, but they have on top of that this soft rubber ear tips which makes the music sound even much better than with the Apple AirPods. So let's take them out of the box and see what we get. We get a small user manual with all the information what we need. I'm not going to show you everything, just the most important things, and one of it is of course first time usage, how to pair and connect, and then the touch control. And you can see we have a very comprehensive touch control. We even have the volume up and volume down, which is very rare to find, so there's absolutely nothing missing here. And what's also very important of course is the restore factory setting. I hope you can see that here. I think it's tapping 4 times in one of the earbuds while they are disconnected. And what I've seen, they come even with a lot of voice prompts which can be very helpful, especially regarding power, when power is low or the volume is too high or too low, and a lot of these things. And here we have also the specs, and so here we have the accessories. So we can see we have 2 pair of different sizes of ear tips. We get the USB-C charging cable, also something which you want to see, and then very small cradle which you can put easily in your pocket, not too large, not too small, for still having a lot of power. What's important when we take them out for the first time, that we remove this protection here, otherwise it cannot make contact and it cannot charge. So without removing, they won't even go into pairing mode. And so I think we have the medium size ear tips already here, but we have also a small one and a large one here. Usually for me the medium size is perfect. What I also like is how easy it is to replace these ear tips. With some of the earbuds it's very difficult, not with this one, absolutely perfect. And so we put it back in the charging cradle. Usually we give a full charge, but we can see there is already some charge, but I highly recommend it to fully charge them before you're using it the first time. But now they are ready to be paired, and so let's go to the phone. We go to Bluetooth and pair new device, and so we have the T6 already here. Of course we give the authorization and it's already paired, and it says 90% battery charge, very nice. So I've tested these earbuds now for a little bit and they have been performing absolutely awesome, especially for this class. Everything is really top notch, even deep bass sound, yeah, makes a lot of fun to listen, and also voices, everything really nice and clear, absolutely no problem regarding the quality, makes a lot of fun to listen. And we can even listen with one of them. I've been wearing both of them at the beginning, then put one back in the cradle, let it charge for a little bit, took it out and it went automatically back into stereo, then put this one back, charged this one and took it out, and there was absolutely no interruption in the music, so exactly how we want it. What's also good, the left one here is on the left side, the right one is on the right side on the cradle. That's not always the case, and it's easy to put them on and take them out without touching accidentally. The touch area is easy to find, and all the functions have been working really good. What I like, I mean, even though the functions are a little bit different than with a lot of other earbuds, I think this is even better than what I've seen from many any other ones. What I'm using the most is usually the volume up and down. It's just one push on the left side for volume down and one push on the right side for volume up, and long press to the previous track or to the next track depending on the side. This is very good. We got also confirmation, which is usually the thing which I don't like, because usually it's too loud, but not in this case. They're confirming everything what you do with just a very low volume thing. This is exactly how we want it. So it looks like they really understand what people are looking for. And I've also tested the microphone and recorded a sample for you, so you can listen to that now. Microphone test, JOYWISE wireless earbuds T6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now there's even the AC running in the background, so we can see a little bit of the noise cancellation. JOYWISE microphone test, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think even though it's not absolutely perfect, it's still on a very good level for such earbuds, and so I'm super happy with them. Everything works exactly how we want it, and also the wearing comfort has been absolutely great. I've been trying around, jumping up and down and moving around like something which you would do like in a gym or so, and they have been absolutely tight. Of course, when you do crazy stuff and sweating a lot, they are not perfectly safe. These are not sports earbuds, but I would say for this style, this is as good as it gets. And they were really comfortable to wear right from the beginning with the medium size. And if it's not perfect for you, of course, then you can switch to another size. Just make sure that you have a really nice tight fit, otherwise you won't be able to hear this really nice bass sound. So from my side, full recommendation, and so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.